Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I am getting ready to upcycle my wreath. This is my wreath that I got out of my garage, and it had this burlap and stuff on it, so I took it off and I'm using the little tree-like things that I bought, well, the little flower-like things that I bought, and I'm getting ready to decorate, for my fall wreath. So this is how it's looking so far, and I will come back when it is all done. Okay guys, I'm back, and this is the finished look of my wreath. I'm no wreath expert, so I did what I liked, what I thought was cute, and I went with it. So don't y'all people that make wreaths for a living, don't y'all come after me. But nah, seriously, I love my little wreath. So actually, it cost me $1 to make because I upcycled my old wreath that I got out the garage. So yeah, $1. There you go. That's my fall wreath, y'all. I hope y'all like it. Let me know in the comment section. And y'all have a blessed morning. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.